When we break down our complex assemblies into their component parts, even the simplest elements can be highly optimized when it comes to their manufacture. From the moment a component is released by the designer, manufacturers will look to minimize the time to market by utilizing the principles of lean manufacturing to enhance their processes, minimize waste, and improve consistency. Manufacturing productivity can be increased using intelligent automation. For part programming, automation can be used to make decisions that would otherwise have previously been made manually, simplifying the part programming process and freeing up time to innovate. Automation can drive production efficiency, allowing the quick and easy implementation of complex machining processes which fully utilize multitasking machines. What's more, by automating, no matter who is programming, the resulting output can be the same, allowing flexible changeovers, improving result consistency, and ultimately component reliability. Manufacturing knowledge can be stored and shared, allowing the entire team to quickly access and use the methods and best practices of the most experienced workers. This helps minimize the skills gap, shortening the time taken to onboard new employees and reducing operational risk. Software standardization can provide the programming needs of a manufacturing cell containing different machines, increasing skill diversification and allowing workers to become multifunctional. For the verification and final inspection of finished parts, automated measurement sequences can be used on a wide range of hardware such as inspection arms, CNC coordinate measuring machines, scanners, and machine tools. Parts can be checked against their CAD specifications to verify they meet quality standards and expected reliability, with reports produced for final approval. In this example, you saw Autodesk Inventor for the CAD design and assembly modeling, and Autodesk Vault Professional for the data sharing and collaboration, Autodesk FeatureCam for the automated programming of CNC machines, and Autodesk Power Inspect for the part verification and inspection. By embracing automation in your manufacturing processes and standardizing your software, Autodesk can help you achieve your lean manufacturing goals.